We're on scene here of reports of a house explosion. The smoke is heavy here. See if I can get as close as possible. See some smoke there. There's insulation debris all over the road. Look at this. See if I can get a little closer. My house is done. See all the insulation? The insulation's on banded. As you can see, there's not much left of this house. Crews are still arriving at this time. It is now a third alarm fire.
Shortly after 11:30 this morning, Toronto Fire Services responded to the address behind me for the report of a residential fire. Upon their arrival, they of course immediately reported a high level of damage consistent with what we generally see as a result of an explosion, and they very quickly went to work to deal with a heavy amount of flame at that time. They have successfully contained and suppressed the fire, so that is certainly good news. Unfortunately, we do have reports that there was one occupant in this structure at the time of the incident. We have not yet been able to locate that person. So from an operational standpoint, we are proceeding with the understanding that there may be one person remaining in the structure. The fire has been contained. We are now working alongside Enbridge Gas to fully secure and disconnect the gas supply to that area. You may smell gas from time to time as we continue that work. So if you're in the area and you smell gas and you have concerns, call 911 and we will come and assist. At this point in time, of course, we still have operations crews that are here. We have our hazardous materials team here, as well as members of our structural collapse team, all of which will form part of the operation as we proceed forward. We are, of course, working in direct collaboration with our colleagues at Toronto Police. Our fire investigations team is mobilizing. They are connected with the Ontario Office of the Fire Marshal, and of course, once the scene has been stabilized and it's an appropriate time, there will, of course, be a full origin, cause, and circumstances investigation launched here. So, just to recap, at present, we have the situation under control. We do have a significant footprint, a significant operational presence here. That will continue for some time. And we are now in the planning cycle working with, of course, Toronto Hydro, Enbridge Gas, our colleagues at police, on determining the next steps and being able to, once it is safe to do so, begin the process of searching the debris to confirm whether or not there was this reported occupants in the structure. So, Inspector, anything you wish to add?
No, I understand.
Good. Any questions, folks?
The houses surrounding all the crews have been evacuated. How long?
Yeah, so the crews very quickly performed search operations in the adjacent houses. Very pleased to report no injuries there. So the houses on either side have been searched. They have been secured. Everything is okay. I should say we had one firefighter sustain one minor injury in the course of operations. Immediately treated and cared for by our colleagues at Toronto Paramedics. He has been taken to the hospital for precautionary observation, but does not appear to be anything serious at this point.
I know you're still 15 minutes out, but you can
¿Cuánto va a venir? Allá sí no me agarra.